Hello students, welcome back to the new session of Science Standard 7, lesson number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So today we are going to completing the chapter. So just listen, last video I had started explaining about the tropical rainforest. Where is tropical rainforest is seen? Tropical rainforest region has generally a hot and wet climate because of its location around the equator, and enough rainfall is also getting here. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. So these major uh, places where the tropical rainforests are seen, variety of plants and animals are seen in these places. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. Apart from that, various types of plants are also we can see in these places, as enough rainfall and sunlight is also getting. So last class I had already explained about the red-eyed tree frog, then uh, lion, tigers, etc. They how the adaptation seen in this type of animals, and monkeys are also generally seen in this particular rainforest. Enough thick forests are there, so monkeys generally seen on the trees. And the red-eyed frog, a special type of frog which has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb on trees where it lives. So like that, monkeys have long tails, then for grasping the branches, and their hands and feet are such a way that they can easily hold on to the branches. All this I had explained. And one particular type of bird, there is more and more animals are there, so there will be a competition for food also. Some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. So one example is toucan, which is a bird possessing a long, large beak. This helps toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. The bird is very big and it has a long beak, so uh, it can reach its beak to the fruits on the branches. So like that, uh, some animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and the skin color is helping them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. So this type of nature helps them to protect from predators, those who are hunting them. For example, big cats, that is tiger and lion, have thick skins and sensitive hearing. So this all I had explained in last video. So just gave a revision of that. Today we will study more about tropical forest, rainforest animals. Another example is lion-tailed macaque. Macaque means one type of ape. It is also called beard ape. Its tail is just like a lion. You can see on the picture all these things. They live in the rainforest of Western Ghats. Then, what is its peculiarity? Its most outstanding feature is the silver white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to the chin. So it has a silver white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin. So it looks very beautiful also. And this type of monkeys, it is a good climber and spends major part of its life on the tree only. Very rarely it comes down because its food is also available from the trees. That means it feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers, and buds. This beard ape also searches for insects under the bark of the trees, where there are insects also seen on the trees, on the bark of the trees. So these animals are eating the small insects also. So it very rarely comes down. Since it is able to get sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. So this is one particular type of monkey, that is called the lion-tailed macaque, which is also called beard ape. Now another well-known animal in Indian tropical rainforest and also in Africa is the elephant. Very familiar to everyone, elephant. So it has a very huge body and a long trunk is there. All these peculiarities everybody knowing. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. So this animal is adapted to live in the rainforest, tropical rainforest. Its trunk you can see. It uses its trunk as a nose, because of which it has a long sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks, which are modified teeth, these can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So elephant is a herbivorous animal. It likes to eat barks of branches, leaves, etc. Bamboo leaves, etc. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. So it can tear the branches of trees, barks of trees, and it can get enough food. Even coconut leaves, palm leaves, all these it will eat. Then sugarcane leaves, etc. Sugarcane also it likes a lot. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. So it has a very good hearing capacity because elephant's ear, you can see very, that pinna is very large. Always it is waving. They also help the elephant to keep cool in hot and humid climate of the rainforest. This pinna or the outer ear is very big and flappy. There are a lot of blood vessels inside. So during the hot season or humid season, it waves every now and then. So the fresh air enters into it and the blood vessel absorb enough oxygen and the body keeps cool. So these adaptations you can see on the different types of animals, how they are adapted to live in these particular places. On the screen there are some pictures I had kept one by one. The characteristics of these animals you can see, they are all adapted to live on this tropical rainforest. The first figure you can see, it is token a particular type of bird. I told you it has a very long beak, so the whole body is also very big, so it can catch the fruits or the nuts from nearby branches very easily and it eats. Then next one, elephant, you can see the picture of an elephant. Its peculiarities also I just now I had told. Elephant is well adapted to live in rainforest. It has a long trunk which is used to pull down the fruits and leaves to eat. Then it has a strong sense of smell because it uses its long trunk as a nose. At the tip of that trunk, you can see two holes, it is the nose. Then it uses its tusks to white color. You can see it is actually the teeth. Teeth is modified into two tusks. Very costly one. People are hunting these animals and taking the tusk and selling. It is in the market. It is very costly one, and ivory items are preparing from this. So it uses its tusk to tear the bark from trees which it eats. Then it uses its long ears to hear even soft sounds and also to cool itself in the hot and humid climate. Just now I explained there are a lot of blood vessels are there. So when the fresh air is entering into that, these blood vessels gets enough oxygen and the its body becomes cool because of that. Then there will be a particular lion-tailed macaque. You can see macaque is lion-tailed and is also called a beard ape. It is a good climber and lives on the trees. And you can see its peculiarity. Just now I told it's the most outstanding feature of this particular ape is silver white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin. You can see on the screen this very clearly. Surrounding the head there will be white color beard, mane, that is long hair which will be hanging surrounding the neck up to the chin, and that is the peculiarity of this particular ape. And it has a lion tailed lion like tailed part is also there. Generally this type of tail we can see on lions, so that is why it is also called lion tail macaque or beard ape. Then it is a good climber, mostly sit on the trees. Most part of its life sits on the branches or the trees. It feeds mainly on fruits and also seeds, leaves, young leaves, stem, buds, flowers, etc. And sometimes it catches the small insects from the barks of the tree. So since it is able to get enough or sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. And other one, monkey, you can see what are the characteristics of monkeys. It has a long tail which help to hold on the branches, and it has long legs and the hands and legs are there which easily helps to hold on the branches when it will jump from one tree or one branch to another branch. Then another animal which is called a red-eyed frog. Previous class I had explained about this red-eyed frog. So the picture is given. It's the red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet. You can see very broad feet is there and it is padded, just like we can see camel's feet is there, padded one. So like that. So it helps to climb on trees on which it lives. So to help them to live on the trees, this particular padded feet will be there. Then normally the frogs are seen on water or on the grasslands, meadows, etc. But this particular red-eyed frog mostly seen on the tree branches. And color also adapted to live on the branches of the trees, green in color you can see, and eyes are bulged and it is red color. So this particular animal is adapted to live on the tree branches. So these all pictures you can see how they are adapted to live on this particular rain forest. Thick forest is there. Number of animals, birds, insects, all these are mammals, all these are there, and tough competition is also in this particular region. So students, today whatever I had explained, so already polar region you had studied, now tropical rainforest region, which animals are adapted to live on these particular places, what are its adaptation, all you had studied. So we will, today I am going to wind up the class. Remaining next class we will continue. Till then, goodbye.